So my name is Emma here to discuss with you the employee performance process. We're here to talk about what exactly is the employee performance process and the different process steps that go into it. So let us go right into that. So what is the performance process? It is designed to be a collaborative, communication-based process where employees and management work together to plan, monitor, and dissect the employees' objectives. This also allows for continuous feedback from management and employees to improve performance. The different steps to the employment performance process include planning, coaching, reviewing, and action. In the following slides, I'm going to dive deeper in how we can make our company better by following these employment performance processes. Now let's talk about planning. There are two stages in the planning process. We have the defining stage and the approval stage. The defining stage is the performance management process where HR and management need to define the job itself, and this includes a comprehensive description, whether it's long or short-term goals, also identifying key objectives, and to develop a clear objective for how those different objectives and goals will be assessed. Next, we have the approval stage. Management and employees both agree to the definition of the role, goals, and objectives. By doing so, the whole is to be collaborative, and the employees must feel that they are involved in a goal setting, and that is the most crucial part of the approval stage. Next, we have coaching. The idea of the coaching stage is to set up meetings with your team when required. This should be on a timely, regular basis. Coaching is extremely important and must be done, let's say, on a quarterly, monthly basis. Next, we have problem solving, setting up trainings, coaching, and solutions for team members. It's important to keep your team members accountable. In some cases, management training in this area can be extremely helpful in our organization. Now, let's talk about reviewing. Employee performance reviews. Review the performance management performance. Reviewing goals for the company. And then lastly, we have feedback for employees. Reviewing employee performances is extremely important for employee satisfaction in the workplace. Typically, these are held either 6 months or once a year, and it's to look how well the employee performed over that span of time. Now we have reviewing the performance management performance. At this stage, it is important for both management and employees to dissect over the previous years and to see how well their performance management has looked over the years. It's important to ask questions in the reviewing process, such as, how did management feedback help? If not, what can we do to improve as a team? What challenges did the employee face? Were personal and organizational objectives met? If not, why? Reviewing goals for the company. One of the main questions to answer is, did the employee reach their goals? For example, did our sales goals beat? If so, what can we do to keep improving on this? Lastly, giving employee feedback. It is crucial that we constantly are giving our employees feedback, whether it is constructive criticism or it is a compliment. Lastly, we have action. The last step in the performance management process is action. We have rewards and recognition, and then planning next year's performance management review. Rewards and recognition is absolutely key. Employees are not going to stay motivated, and the retention rate is going to keep decreasing if employees will not realize that their hard work is being recognized. Setting up next year's performance management review is going to give a last chance to offer feedback on the process as a whole, and it's going to be an opportunity for us as management to ask for thoughts and feedback for next year's cycle.